Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is just basically a video of me riding around in my 14 Z28. I bought this about 2 weeks ago, and I've put about 1,500 miles on it, give or take. And I gotta say, there's literally nothing to complain about. This thing is absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna put the GoPro in and just go ride around for a little bit, and I guess do that. I've never done a video like this, so just bear with me. Hopefully y'all enjoy it, and if so, I'll do some more, but here goes nothing. So like I said, I bought this about 2 weeks ago, and I've put about 1,500 miles on it, give or take. And there is literally nothing to complain about this car. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad I actually bought it. Hopefully y'all can hear like me talking and stuff inside once I get the GoPro in, because this thing is completely stripped. There's no carpet, no nothing. It's just bare metal. But so far I really enjoy this car, and the only thing I guess I could complain about it is I have to upgrade the heads or get the heads fixed. I heard the LS7s are terrible for lifters dropping, so I guess that's the only issue. But like I said, I've put about 1,500 miles on it, give or take, and it has not missed a beat. I really enjoy driving this thing, and it's just so awesome, because like a lot of people look at it and they're like, oh, it's just another Camaro, until you really start getting to look at it, and they're like, whoa, that's a little bit different, because not all of them have carbon fiber hoods and the old 427 on the hood. But let me slap the GoPro in, and I guess we'll head on out. Also, I was gonna throw this in there. A lot of people keep saying my car is a fake Z28 because the badge is right here and it's not right here. I don't understand how moving a badge makes a car a fake Z28 or a clone. The only thing fake or a clone on this car is this aftermarket splitter, or whatever you want to call it, because the original one did get damaged, and I guess somebody put just a cheap aftermarket one on it. But that's the only thing that's not OEM, well, besides the wrap. So it's a true Z28. I don't know, like, take the emblem and slide over here, does that make it a true Z28? But if I slide it over here, then it's a fake Z28, I guess. But I guess all that matters is what's under the hood. And I mean, the title says Z28, everything else says Z28. I mean, you can't fake the carbon brakes, so let the haters hate. Okay, so this is gonna be me driving around in my 14 Z28. I've never done a video like this, so just bear with me. Every single bump, and also I've noticed that there's like a little groove like in the road. Once your wheel gets on it, it wants to kind of follow it. I don't know if it's a square I have 305s in the front, or if it's like the front end alignment, because the front end alignment is a little cambered out just a little bit, so I don't know if it's because of the alignment or the tires or just how the car is set up. But it's definitely different between this car and my dad's 2020 1LE. So far, I really enjoy this destruction. Oh my god. It was beating me to death. Like I was bouncing around like crazy. This thing is barely going the speed limit. And I had like all, you know, everybody flying by me and stuff. I'm sitting there just bouncing around. And I'm like, dear Lord, this thing is rough. But it is what it is. I really like the exhaust tone on this thing. So it's just Cook's long tube headers. It don't have the cats or any of that on it. And it still has the stock mufflers. Honestly, it sounds really good to me. It does need a cam. I can't stand having no chop. But other than that, I really think it sounds really good for still stock mufflers on the back. So here I'll do like a little 1-2 pull or whatever you want to call it. I've got to get tires for this thing because it does not hook up at all. It's got 325s on the back and it just spins them like it's nothing. So I definitely have to get me some new tires. Y'all probably won't notice it, but I got a haircut, so there's a little different between the last video and this video. That's blocking. Also just left Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel is amazing. That's all I gotta say. So right now I'm going to go to the gas station and put the GoPro on the back of the car, on the back glass. That's probably about the best place to mount it. And I guess I'll get some exhaust sounds, exhaust clips for y'all driving down the road and stuff like that. Hopefully y'all can hear it like when I got on it earlier and stuff like that, but it sounds really good. So I'm gonna pull over up here and put the GoPro on the back and get some sound clips. So just got done riding around. I was actually looking back on the footage I just filmed and it's in this video, and I can tell it's a lot of wind noise. If y'all have any suggestions on how to cut down on the wind noise, that would be great. I have no idea. Like, I know they make some sleeves and stuff, but on my GoPro I got like this little microphone. I think that's why I don't really do these type of videos, because it's 80% like wind and like 20% of you can actually hear the car and stuff. But hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.